What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual WordPress teams, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to get ready pre-built pages, layouts, widgets, blocks, and templates to import on your site with a very creative, unique and professional looking design, all for free for both Elementor or Gutenberg. So before you can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours, okay? So imagine that you are starting a new website. If you have pre-built pages that you can customize from instead of doing your layouts from the scratch, you will have to save a lot of time. You will save a lot of precious time. And how to do this? First thing, move to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? So into the upper right corner, next to keyword, we're gonna type into search plugins templately. This is the guide we are looking for. Click on install now. After this, we're gonna click on activate button. The plugin gonna redirects us to the plugin welcome page. That is a page where we can see packs that you can purchase, but we are working for free, so we're gonna move from all to starter, okay? And all the starter packs are free, so you can click right here and import all of the website pages. Imagine that we are doing, for example, non-profit website, maybe a listing website. Sometimes an AI website, you can click right here and import this for free, but we are looking for pages. So go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus once again and click on pages and add new page, okay? Now we have a new button to our WordPress Gutenberg editor, but let's skip it once we are using Elementor. So we're gonna click on edit with Elementor, okay? Right here, we can see three buttons into this page layout. The plus to add a Elementor widget. The files that I did explaining how to use this option to add templates by the full Elementor plugin into our latest video. Just go to Visual YouTube channel and search for templates Elementor. And there is a new button from Templately. We're gonna click on it, okay? This is gonna load up the Templately page, but we are looking for pre-built pages, okay? So with all the layouts, and we want to keep all for free, so we're gonna move from all to starter. And there is a lot of pages that you can import, a lot of. So imagine the following scenario. I would like to have a page about maybe, let me check. I would like to have a simple page. Maybe a landing page. I think this one is good enough, a contact us page. So we're gonna click on insert, and the plugin gonna ask me to log in or to create account. So I'm gonna click on sign up, free sign up. After signing, you're gonna receive an email and you must confirm that you have created your account, and you're gonna be able to import pre-built layouts, just like this one, for example. Let's click on it. We can see the live demo, the demonstrative website. Imagine that you would like to create a page just like this one, okay, with your contact information, okay? Good for business, for example. We can do it with no problem. We're gonna click on insert. So require the properties, install, and proceed to import. Looks like to import this demo, we're gonna need a new plugin. No problem, we can install this once it's free. and let's see the magic happening. I will not cut the video so you can see how many time does it takes to have a pre-built layout. And here is the results I got after importing the pre-built layout. But I don't think I have chosen a good template, I don't like it, so I would like to change for another. No problem, let's go back. Maybe something, let me find something. This one looks good, very complete about food, so let's try. Once again, I won't cut the video so you can see the result happening. And here is the layout. Very good, don't you think? Have animations, have a fluid layout, and you can get this for free. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to hit the publish button to save the page or save the draft, okay? To not lose your page. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Your growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or sites.gallery, that is a website where you can promote your pages, your layouts, your games, your apps. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more features. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!